Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to explore some amazing real-world applications of combining sensors and actuators to create smart, automated systems. We'll look at three practical examples: light sensors with LEDs for automatic street lighting, motion sensors with buzzers for home security alarms, and temperature sensors with fans for automatic cooling systems. These technologies are all around us, making our daily lives safer, more convenient, and more energy efficient. Let's start with automatic street lighting. In many modern cities, light sensors, often called LDRs or light-dependent resistors, are used to detect the brightness in the environment. During the day, when sunlight is strong, the LDR senses high light levels, and the street lights remain off to save electricity. But as evening approaches and the light level drops, the LDR detects this change and sends a signal to the control system, which turns the LED street lights on automatically. This setup is more than just convenient. It's energy efficient and cost-effective. Cities can save thousands of dollars in electricity bills every year because the lights are only on when they're needed. Plus, this automation reduces the chance of human error. Imagine if someone had to manually turn on every streetlight in a city every night. With this system, the process is hands-free, reliable, and smart. Next, let's talk about motion sensors paired with buzzers for home security. This is a classic example of using IoT concepts to improve safety. A motion sensor, usually a PIR or passive infrared sensor, detects movement by sensing changes in infrared radiation caused by warm bodies like humans or animals. When no one is around, the sensor stays idle, but the moment it detects movement in its range, it triggers the buzzer to sound an alert. This noise can warn the homeowner, scare off intruders, and in advanced systems, send a notification directly to your smartphone. This type of setup is not just for homes. It's also widely used in offices, shops, and even parking areas. You can even combine this with cameras to take a snapshot whenever motion is detected. Simple components like a PIR sensor and a buzzer, when programmed with the right logic, can greatly enhance security and give you peace of mind. Finally, let's look at temperature sensors connected to fans to create an automatic cooling system. These are very common in industrial equipment, computer servers, greenhouses, and even smart homes. A temperature sensor, such as the DHT11 or LM35, constantly measures the temperature of its surroundings. The microcontroller reads this value and compares it to a preset threshold. If the temperature goes above that threshold, the fan is turned on automatically to bring the temperature down. Once the temperature falls below the threshold, the fan turns off to save energy. This kind of system ensures that sensitive equipment doesn't overheat, plants in greenhouses get the right climate, and living spaces stay comfortable without you having to adjust the fan manually. It's another great example of how sensors and actuators work together to solve real-world problems efficiently. So, we've seen how combining sensors with actuators can create powerful automation. Light sensors with LEDs for streetlights, motion sensors with buzzers for security, and temperature sensors with fans for cooling systems. These aren't just classroom projects. They're real solutions used worldwide in homes, cities, and industries. If you've ever wanted to start building your own IoT devices, these are great beginner-friendly ideas that you can try using Arduino and simulation tools like Tinkercad. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and IoT tutorials.